We're in the midst of a transition period, which can be both thrilling as well as challenging to keep up with. Yet, most of us are left scratching our heads when it comes to Web 3.0, cryptocurrency, and the metaverse. Many people think of the metaverse as a fully formed digital world outside of the one we live in. With so much going on, it could be worthwhile to learn more about what's going on in the metaverse and which metaverse initiatives to watch in 2022. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel, and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. The metaverse is nothing more than a computer simulation of reality. Users on the site can utilize a virtual custom-made avatar that can appear almost any way they choose to visit art galleries, concerts, and exotic locations, all within these virtual worlds. When it comes to cryptocurrencies and the metaverse, these currencies operate as money in the metaverse. Each metaverse has its own coins for paying for everything from avatar shoes to non-fungible tokens to virtual real estate. The metaverse is a fully formed virtual world that exists beyond the one we live in and is merely a virtual avatar-based cosmos. But on the other hand, it is also thought to be the next big thing in cryptocurrencies. The metaverse is currently making news in the technological world, leading to a surge in metaverse crypto projects, each with the potential to define the future of digital real estate and metaverse crypto projects. If you're concerned that you've missed the metaverse boat, or if you're hoping to invest in the metaverse in 2022, these are 10 projects to watch. First, we have the Crypto Voxels, an Ethereum-based metaverse with Minecraft-like characteristics. As a result, this metaverse comprises a vast amount of digital infrastructures and land blocks that users can build upon indefinitely. On OpenSea, assets can be traded for ETH, but Crypto Voxels has its own currency, the Crypto Voxels Parcel. These can be purchased through OpenSea and correspond to land in Crypto Voxels' origin city. As an NFT, users retain complete ownership of each land parcel, known as voxels. In addition, players can either develop or sell their virtual properties, which include adding posters, signage, and music recordings. Crypto Voxels, being one of the first metaverse initiatives, has managed to build a fantastic community that has only grown over time, resulting in ever more inventive and fascinating NFTs. As a result, Crypto Voxels is a project worth paying attention to in 2022 and beyond. We'll discuss crypto games in this list, but first, let us introduce you to one of the world's first AAA crypto games. Star Atlas will now be making an appearance in this discussion. All of the crypto goodness is crammed into one dramatic and fascinating title. Does it have a great plot? What about settings that are out of this world? Is this a fantastic community? Yes! What about monetization possibilities? Yes, without a doubt. Star Atlas is, in a sense, the whole package. We'll keep the gameplay a secret for you to discover, so let's talk about another fantastic feature. Star Atlas's two Solana-based tokens, Atlas and Polis. The first, Atlas, looks a lot like a standard in-game coin. This is especially significant because most of the game's assets are NFTs, with only a few exceptions. On the other hand, Polis allows players to participate in what the developers call the game's political intrigue. The project has teased several decentralized features that are expected to pique the interest of many gamers and propel it to the top of the metaverse in 2022. The Blocktopia is the next one on the list. This is a skyscraper-themed metaverse project that promises to create a one-of-a-kind platform where users can study, meet new people, conduct business, and experiment with various activities throughout a 21-story building. Because the construction will be incomplete at the start, this metaverse will rely mainly on each user's input and ingenuity. While there hasn't been much revealed about this future initiative, which is set to open in the coming months, there have already been some intriguing sneak peeks, such as a World Wrestling Entertainment arena. Users will be able to access levels 1 through 6 when it releases. What's inside it is part of the mystery, so you'll have to wait to find out. Just having a 3D experience is no longer sufficient. Attracting new metaverse users requires a compelling offer with so many platforms to choose from. Somnium Space, fortunately, offers precisely that. This 3D blockchain platform is highly user-friendly and chock full of mind-blowing experiences and possibilities to dabble in all aspects of the metaverse. Newcomers may be underwhelmed by the graphics quality, but what sets it apart is how it allows users to fully conceive and modify both their avatars and the environments around them. Somnium describes itself as an open, social, and persistent virtual reality platform, which includes not just a location where users can live, but that also holds entertainment, communication, e-commerce, and other features. In addition, Somnium has chosen a multi-chain method that includes Solana, unlike any other blockchain-based metaverse initiative. This opened up new possibilities for the metaverse, allowing users to create an NFT gallery, visit VR concerts with a VR avatar while dancing with a full-body tracking kit, and create new NFT-based worlds and experiences for others to enjoy. Another significant difference is Somnium's cube-based metaverse economy. The in-platform cryptocurrency facilitates transactions and asset transfers, and it has established itself as one of the most reliable coins among Metaverse's current offerings. Somnium is unquestionably unique, which is why it has earned the attention of crypto heavyweights such as Gemini, Microsoft, and OpenSea, to name a few. Epic Prime is a metaverse crypto project that has evolved significantly since its inception and is now entirely focused on NFTs. The cryptocurrency Epic is available on PancakeSwap, Huobi Global, and Uniswap, and the project is said to be linked with AAA games, which has caused its value to rise. Not only that, but it's a project that's collaborating with other businesses to simply establish an NFT marketplace. Despite the token's application being unclear, it already has a market cap of around $62 million. Good day, mate. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. The physical and digital worlds are joined via cryptography and 3D scanning technology. That's how MetaHero characterizes its own initiative, and it's simple to see why it's garnered so much attention. This platform is expected to bring a new notion of ultra-realistic digital clones that users may personalize and utilize in various metaverse activities. Because of MetaHero's 3D modeling relationship with Wolf Digital World, each 3D avatar has a lifelike body type and a photorealistic face, resulting in amazing AAA avatars. Users can also scan their own bodies and save the result as an NFT that can be used in the metaverse. As if that weren't enough, avatars may be customized with various talents and abilities from classes such as Close Combat Specialist, Spellcaster, Mentalist, Enchanter, Elementalist, Range Combat Specialist, and Assassin. In addition, players can level up their recruits and trade or sell the NFT that fuels their accounts. If you're curious about how it all works, one-of-a-kind meta scanners are utilized to scan, print, and produce new in-game avatars. It's a lot of fun to mess around with. Decentraland, which is referred to as a virtual cosmos of sorts in social contexts, encompasses the entire metaverse. Not only that, but Decentraland is currently the largest metaverse cryptocurrency with a live market cap of around $5.6 billion. Decentraland is notable for being the first fully decentralized virtual environment, as well as the largest metaverse cryptocurrency. Decentraland users may easily monetize their land by enabling advertising, interactive games, and other features. As previously stated, Decentraland's native token, Mana, is the metaverse's currency and can be used to buy land, wearables, avatars, names, and a variety of other products in the Decentraland marketplace. Sandbox isn't far behind Decentraland as the second most popular metaverse cryptocurrency. Still, it has shown to be a considerably greater victor in recent months when compared to Decentraland, with its native Sandcoin skyrocketing up by 1,670%. The Sandbox, like Decentraland, is a virtual world that is recognized for using a DAO paradigm. Not only that, but the Sandbox, like Decentraland, is known to be constructed on the ETHEREUM blockchain. This blockchain is touted to enable smart contracts by allowing users to buy virtual land and other assets. Engine is an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain that is intended to be used as an in-game currency for purchasing game items and adding value to in-game assets. ENJ, the platform's native utility token, can also be used as a medium of exchange for selling and buying in-game items. Aside from that, Engine's platform offers another feature, a marketplace. This feature lets game players and developers exchange the things they've created on a marketplace without paying any fees to an intermediary. High Street is an intriguing idea with a lot of promise, at least in terms of metaverse usage. You may simply shop for products inside the virtual universe using its native utility token, High, just like many others. Some Shopify sites are already connected to the game platform. Its hybrid model of virtual experiences is what truly distinguishes it from the competition. It's essentially a half-virtual, half-physical model which adds to the intrigue. Not only that, but NFTs are critical to the platform's success, and many companies can be quickly brought on so that their products can be used as NFTs. The crypto world and the metaverse are growing at a dizzying speed. So much so that predicting the future of digital worlds and which cryptocurrencies will remain at the top of the greatest metaverse projects is difficult. However, we regard it as just another fascinating part of the current technological revolution. What are your thoughts on the top 10 metaverse cryptocurrency projects expected to launch in 2022? That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. And we'll see you in our next video.